Hi everyone, thanks for stopping by MacCustoms. Today I'm really excited to show you the exhaust wrap on the Raptor here. It was really hard to do, so before I show you, I'm going to show you everything we went through to get it done.
Try and put some fiberglass header wrap on it. You got it soaking in this bucket here. Should be good to go, I guess. And leave just enough room so this can turn and move to get the exhaust off. Motherfucker. Once we get that first one on there, we should be able to do better than this, I hope.
Are you keeping it so long so that you can get a good pull on it?
Well, that's just hard to work with. I don't like it. It's way easier than YouTube. Yes, that sucks. You know whether I should fucking try and tape that first one or put a tie on it, just the problem's not keeping it tight enough, it's the way it bends around. Hey, hold on there, you're losing it. See, you gotta start, like you were doing it better than me, like spreading it more. You get into these bends and to try and make the bend, you start wrapping it right close. See what I mean? Turn starts fucking every time, eh? I think the best bet is to do is just to start a little further this way. You can't really see the first couple inches of the pipe anyways, you know what I mean? It's in the head. Fuck me. That's hard, man. Better give you horsepower. Oh, my hands are raw. Oh, man. That was a mission way more than I thought.
You should do the wire wrap just to get a tighter squeeze on it.
No, I just, yeah. People online were saying these zip ties weren't very good, so to do this. I'm hoping I can start straight. It was hard to get around the bends, a couple even axes that I kind of kept tucking to one place. But you start losing out on every turn. And I just cut it off there because it was the first place I could get this flat again. And it wants to travel in the other direction. So I figure when I slip the next piece on, I'll just start wrapping here. Or whatever the case. Yeah, and I think you're supposed to put some heat to that to get it to set or whatever. Yeah, I'm not looking forward to the rest. Yeah, pretty crazy. And some people are good at it, you know what I mean? Keep it evenly spaced the whole way and no thick or thin spots like that you're gonna see. Or you're not gonna see it on the bike, but she's not mint. Alright guys, we got through that and we're gonna put some heat to it and try and dry it. Keep it hold its shape. See what happens there anyways. It's hot. Alright, so we're gonna try this again. See if we have some better luck.
So that was something else. It was a huge mission to get that done, but it's done. I love it. So let me show you what it looks like. That was worth every second of fighting with it. I love the way it looks on this bike. I love the Yoshimura pipe. We have the muffler all cleaned up as well. Yeah, but I don't think I'll ever attempt to do another exhaust wrap. I had fiberglass stuck in my hands for days. All right, it's done though. Thanks for stopping by, guys. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of the Raptor builds because it is getting close. Leave us a comment, like the video. It helps our channel grow. We really appreciate it. And we'll see you in the next video.